throttle is wide open down there, so come on down. It's always a fun evening. Shoot out at Open Park.